To replace an upper freezer basket roller in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a small flathead screwdriver. Open the freezer drawer and lift out the upper basket. Use the small flathead screwdriver to pry out the old roller, if still intact. To install the new basket roller, keep the open-ended pin facing inward as you snap the roller into the notches on the basket. Replace the basket in the freezer drawer, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.